National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Spalding County in west central Georgia, northeastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Wooster, Oregon, 7 miles northeast of Greenville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Griffin, Zebulon, Williamson, Orchard Hill, Meonsville, Gay, East Griffin, Concord, Highland Mills, Rocky Mount, Experiment, Hilltop, Vaughan, Hollandville, Alvedon, Rover, Digby, Vatella, and Wooster. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service